If you're obsessed with tech, or you're just immersed in modern history, here are some nerdy tourist destinations that you simply can't miss. Know before you go! 1. Funspot, Laconia. If you remember spending hours pumping quarter after quarter into Donkey Kong, Pac-Man and Asteroids, then Funspot in Laconia, New Hampshire is your mecca. The entertainment supercenter is home to the American Classic Arcade Museum. 2. Kirkland House, Cambridge. The legendary birthplace of Facebook is still a working dorm at Harvard University. Back when Facebook still touted the at the beginning of its name, and Mark Zuckerberg was just hoping to drum up members. 3. Microsoft Visitors Center, Redmond. For any of the millions of people who live every day in close contact with Microsoft devices. Located on Microsoft's 300-acre campus, the Visitors Center is an ever-updating exhibit of tech giants past, present and future. 4. Computer History Museum, Mountain View. The Computer History Museum has a ton of rotating exhibits that depict the storied history of the information age while showcasing the possibilities of technology. It's a must visit for anyone who appreciates the true genius of the microchip. 5. Apple's company store, Cupertino. In addition to the typical array of state-of-the-art products, the Apple Company Store is the only place you can pick up some official branded t-shirts and accessories as well. 6. The HP Garage, Palo Alto. Maybe you haven't heard of Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard, the two men who started their own computer company out of a garage in the late 1930s. Now it is rightfully known as the birthplace of Silicon Valley. 7. The Oasis, Menlo Park. The restaurant served as one of the meeting spots for the Homebrew Computer Club, a motley collection of computer nerds who met to commiserate in the 1970s. They included people like Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, and Jerry Lawson, the man who invented video game cartridges. 8. The Tech Museum of Innovation, San Jose. A museum unlike any other. This museum is exceptionally interactive, whether you're using tech to get an incredibly in-depth biology lesson, or you're experiencing the sensation of being in an earthquake. There's a lot to experience in the Tech Museum. 9. South Park, San Francisco. It is said to be the mythical place where Jack Dorsey invented Twitter. As a result, South Park is largely considered the birthplace of the .com revolution. 10. The Intel Museum, Santa Clara. Don't underestimate the impact that Intel has had on the computer industry. After all, they are one of the world's leading manufacturers of the chips that power our favorite devices. At the museum, you can see the history of the company, which is essentially the history of the computer industry. Did you know all of them? Comment below.